Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing here. This is the Axios Pathfinder. Bought this one from Kickstarter. Oh geez, I don't know. It's been months. I forgot how long ago I bought it, and I haven't done a Kickstarter watch since then. I don't know. I guess the knife is kind of dull, I guess. I don't know about doing these Kickstarter watches anymore. Just you buy them and it takes forever for them to show up. And actually another one I did, I had to go through my credit card company to cancel that one because that one didn't work out. That was the Hampton Kraken. And yeah, I don't know, kind of soured me a little bit from Kickstarter. But Axios is a good brand. I think Elshin from Velos is involved with the company somehow. Sorry, I hope that's not too loud. Well, it's nice and securely wrapped up, that's for sure. Alright, there we go. Trying to remember which dial color I got with this. I don't even really remember the dial color that I got. Yeah, so there you go. Oop, sorry, you can't see with the lid in the way there. But Stuart, Elshin, and Justin. I think Stuart is the main guy for this company. I think I went with the vintage color dial, actually. There was a, maybe I went with gray. There was a couple different colors I was looking at. I might have went with gray. So let's zoom in and see if I can remember correctly, or if I did. There's like a vintage copper color one that I liked, and then I liked the gray. I liked quite a few of the colors. That's the problem with watches for me, is I can't really decide on one color, just one color to get. Okay, yes, so I did go with gray. And it looks like it comes with a strap, warranty card. Looks like a nice quality needle strap here. Let's just take it out. Oh yeah, this is definitely a nice feeling needle strap. And looks like it's signed as well here. Gotta deal with this garbage from that. I think I'll just take the plastic off the crystal. Actually, no, maybe I'll pause it. Yeah, let me pause the video and take all this plastic off. Alright, so there it is. I think I got all of the plastic off. I guess not. There we go. It's a hefty watch. Definitely solid links. Solid end links. Nice big clasp here. It looks like a thick, we'll say that's a thick milled clasp. Doesn't look like it's stamped at all. So maybe just a slight taper to the bracelet. I prefer a little more taper, but that's okay. I don't remember what I paid for this watch or what movement is in here, so I'll just get this on wrist quickly and then close out the video. But it looks very nice, very high quality, very good quality, I should say. Mixed of brushed and polished surfaces, polished chamfer. I do like that. I like the polishing on these links here too. That's a very nice touch. Not familiar with another watch that I've had that has a bracelet like this, so that's very cool. I don't know if I have any other gray dial watches or not. I don't think I do at the moment. I like that sand textured dial as well. It is a little bit thick and heavy for my preference, though. Anyway, let me get this on wrist. Wearing the Tudor Black Bay for today. Yeah, the clasp in the bracelet's just a little bit too wide for my preference. I've become a little more picky over the years of, well, since doing the YouTube stuff here. But anyway, here it is, my 6.5-inch wrist. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment below. Let's see if I can. Yep. So we got enough links there. I can just slide it on and off wrist. So if you don't ever want to size your watch, you can just use it like a bracelet, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, looking forward to spending some time with this watch, and hope to get a full presentation out on this thing soon. Oh, yeah, let's look at the case back. So it looks like a horse with wings. Some kind of mythical creature. I forgot what the name of that is. Oh, is that Pegasus maybe? Pegasus is the horse with wings? I don't know. Oh, let's just read the back here real quick. What is that? Axios Pathfinder automatic NH35. So that explains the thickness with that Seiko movement. And how can man die better? Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, it looks like it's a numbered edition, 190 out of 230. So, all right, talk to you guys soon.